Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever wondered why some people seem to age like fine wine while others, well, not so much? The secret might be hiding in your fruit bowl. I'm Name, and today we're diving into the colourful world of anti-inflammatory fruits, nature's own medicine cabinet. Right now, your body might be fighting a silent battle against inflammation. Think of it as a slow-burning fire that's affecting everything from your energy levels to how your joints feel when you wake up. But here's the exciting part. Mother Nature has given us 15 delicious weapons to fight back. In the next few minutes, you'll discover a period. The blue superfruit that scientists call brain food. A tropical fruit that works like natural ibuprofen. And my personal favourite, a red gem that can help you sleep better. Before we jump into our fruity inflammation fighters, let's quickly understand what we're up against. Imagine your body as a bustling city. Sometimes certain neighbourhoods get a bit too heated, causing trouble throughout the entire system. That's inflammation, and it can affect everything from your joints to your brain. First up, let's talk about nature's blue jewels, blueberries. These tiny powerhouses are like natural bodyguards for your cells. Packed with compounds called anthocyanins, they're not just pretty to look at, they're inflammation-fighting ninjas. Just 1 cup contains more antioxidants than most fruits you'll find in your kitchen. Pro tip, toss a handful in your morning yogurt or smoothie for maximum benefits. Next on our list is the mighty cherry, especially tart cherries. If you're dealing with achy joints or post-workout soreness, these red gems are about to become your new best friends. Here's something fascinating. They contain natural compounds that work similarly to anti-inflammatory medications, minus the side effects. Studies show that just 2 weeks of tart cherry juice can significantly reduce inflammation in your body. Let's travel to the tropics with our next superhero, pineapple. Beyond its tropical sweetness, it contains a secret weapon called bromelain. This enzyme is so powerful at fighting inflammation that it's actually used in medical treatments. Here's a tip most people don't know. The core of the pineapple, which most people throw away, contains the highest concentration of bromelain. So, don't skip it. Moving on to strawberries, these red beauties are like tiny inflammation-fighting soldiers. Packed with vitamin C and special compounds called polyphenols, they're particularly good at protecting your heart and keeping your blood sugar in check. Plus, they make everything taste better, am I right? Now let's talk about oranges. These citrus superstars aren't just vitamin C bombs. They're loaded with flavonoids that act like natural firefighters, putting out inflammatory flames throughout your body. And here's a cool fact. The white pith you usually peel off? It's actually super good for you. Grape expectations, anyone? Especially the dark ones. They're packed with something called resveratrol, the same compound that makes red wine healthy in moderation. Think of each grape as a tiny antioxidant pill, but way more delicious. Papaya might not be the first fruit you think of, but it should be on your radar. It contains papain, an enzyme that's like a clean-up crew for your body, breaking down inflammation and supporting healthy digestion. The riper, the better. Let's not forget about apples. Turns out, an apple a day isn't just a catchy phrase. These crunchy treats contain quercetin, a compound that's particularly good at fighting respiratory inflammation. Always eat the skin, that's where the good stuff is. Avocados. Yes, they're technically a fruit. These creamy delights are like nature's anti-inflammatory butter. Rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, they help your body absorb other nutrients better too. Next up is the jewel-like pomegranate. Those tiny seeds are packed with potent antioxidants that help your body fight inflammation on a cellular level. Think of each seed as a tiny inflammation-fighting grenade. Lemons might make you pucker, but they're inflammation-fighting superstars. They help alkalize your body and are packed with vitamin C. Pro tip: start your day with warm lemon water to kickstart your anti-inflammatory routine. Don't overlook kiwis. These fuzzy little fruits are vitamin C powerhouses and contain unique enzymes that help with protein digestion. Yes, you can eat the skin. It's actually super nutritious. Mangoes aren't just tropical delights. They're loaded with vitamins A and C, plus beta-carotene that's great for your eyes and skin. Think of them as nature's candy with benefits. Cranberries aren't just for Thanksgiving. These tart berries are particularly good at fighting inflammation in the urinary tract and supporting overall immune health. Last but not least, prunes. Yes, they're not just for grandma anymore. These dried plums are packed with antioxidants and are particularly good at reducing inflammation in your digestive system. Now, let me share 2 quick and delicious ways to get these benefits daily. The anti-inflammatory morning blast. Handful of blueberries. Half a mango. Chunks of pineapple. 1 fresh kiwi. Blend and enjoy. The inflammation-fighting fruit bowl. Dot. Juicy orange segments. Fresh strawberry slices. A sprinkle of pomegranate seeds. Creamy avocado chunks. Mix and watch your body thank you. Remember, friends, fighting inflammation isn't about eating 1 blueberry and calling it a day. It's about consistently feeding your body these natural defenders. Think of it as building your body's armor, 1 fruit at a time. If this video helped you understand the power of anti-inflammatory fruits better, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs this information. Drop a comment below with your favorite fruit from this list, and don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay fruity.